Okay, welcome back to another Cease.
And Dasister.
We're going to be trying out a couple of kits that Cease got for her birthday today. And to tell you the truth, we wanted to wear our Halloween outfits again because it's not fair to just be able to wear it one day. So, Cease, you got the kit ready?
Yep.
Okay, Cease, so what's the first kit we have today?
The first kit is Magnet Cuties. And we're doing this one first because it has paint in it.
Magnet Cuties. Paint your own. Wow.
So there's 4 magnets and 5 paints.
Very interesting.
Oh no. Tape!
Oh, not the tape.
No!
We should have brought scissors.
Yes. What is funny?
Everything. Everything is funny. Always.
Not everything.
Be careful. Don't make it go all over the place, please.
Okay, I'm not. Hopefully. Hey, I'm fine. See? I'm not breaking
So
anything.
far.
See these. Okay. It's so cold.
We'll come back when it's open. There we go. Okay, and we're back. We got everything out, and we got ourselves a few extra supplies.
Yep. So
It did not come with a cup or anything like that to be able to do with. And it came with one brush, but we brought another just in case. So Cease chose these 2 cacti. They're all cacti. And if you look closely,
be careful.
they got little faces on them, and then the magnets on the back. Seem like little clay things. So
Come on.
she's got the ones with the flowers. And she's also having a tough time opening up the paint.
Trying not to splatter it all everywhere.
It's not going to splatter everywhere. Everything will be fine.
See?
You were supposed to show it to the camera. Oh, whatever. Okay.
Okay.
So are you ready to begin?
I am.
Okay.
You?
No.
Okay.
So time lapse time. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. That was so much fun. I loved all the little colors, even though there wasn't any black.
Yeah.
But we got around it, and these turned out so adorable. And they really look homemade. We're not professionals, so... But they are adorable nonetheless, so I think that they're pretty cool.
We're gonna put it on the fridge.
And they're going to stay there for the rest of their lives.
Yep.
Okay, so you have the next thing now, Cease?
Yep.
Make your own eraser pals. There's a little bunny and a koala. And let's look at the back. Or was that the back? That was probably the back, actually.
Yeah. I accidentally
got
did that.
We got a little elephant and a little bird, and that looks like a dolphin to me. Another kind of bird, and it looks so cool.
And it says, 4 bright clay colors. Add features to your creatures.
So it's make your own mini eraser pals, and they're gonna go on the pencil like that, and they're just gonna be so adorable.
Mm-hmm.
So let's open it.
Okay. How do we open it?
I don't know.
We never opened this before. Does it have a tape on it again?
I don't know. I hope not. We still don't have scissors. Oh, do we get it?
Oh!
It does have tape.
Okay.
Gosh dang it!
Hey, please.
We'll be back in a moment when it's open. So, this is what we have.
Yep.
Plus instructions. Cease has those.
Yes.
So,
The first step says place molds on a flat surface with character cavity facing up. Lightly coat the inside of both molds with water.
we need more water. Okay. We'll be back with all the extra ingredients that we need, which is apparently a freezer, an oven, aluminum foil, and a baking sheet. Okay, well, we'll be back.
Yeah. A cat and an elephant and a whale, a penguin and koala
We're on the air.
and a bunny.
So we brought back the water, and we were looking at all the different things, and we still haven't figured out which one we're going to want to do
Yeah.
each.
So cute.
They're all adorable, and we love them. Okay, so first of all, we forgot the pencil, didn't we?
What
We're supposed to have a pencil. It says you need those, the water, the clay, and the pencil. Do we have a pencil?
Somewhere in here.
Somewhere. Lovely. Okay, so, well, we have the molds out, so we'll just lightly coat those with water. I don't know how we're supposed to do it other than our fingers, but
Yeah, we're gonna mess this up.
everything is going to explode in our faces every single time.
We're gonna get messy.
Gonna get messy and make mistakes, and like Miss Frizzle says from Magic School Bus. Hooray! You okay, Cease?
Need a sharpen.
We don't need to sharpen it. We're just using it for the mold.
Oof. My kids get killed. I'm gonna die. Not a sheep.
Nope.
Okay.
Okay, so slowly getting all of these lightly coated with water. I've already done all of these over here, so it's just this. No, not these parts. We're not putting them in these parts. Putting them with the characters. There we go. Okay. So, I'll be back in a second. We gotta figure out how to read these things. So it looks like now we can choose what colors we're going to be having for each of our things. So that'll be fun. Well, we can use multiple things, Cease. Don't worry about that. So, I suppose what we should do is figure out which character we're going to be making. Let's only make one today. Just so we can know how it works. Although we don't have any resealable bags, so that might be difficult to do with the clay. It'll be nice if we don't use all of it at once.
So hard to choose.
I know, it's so hard to choose. I think I want to do a koala. Because it looks a lot like a wombat. And I'm going to make a wombat.
I really want a bunny.
Then you can do the bunny.
Okay.
I'm going to start out with...
Wait, what's this?
Green and
What's
blue.
in the
That's
middle?
a bird. It's a Tweety bird.
Never mind.
Okay. So, I guess we're going to have a little montage of putting stuff where we want them to be. See you soon. So, this is what we have so far. We weren't going to be trying to do the pencils because we realized that we don't want to do anything with pencils right now. So now, what we're going to need to do is put this into the freezer for 10 minutes. Although we'll probably leave it in longer because we need to go places. But then we need to bake it for like 20 minutes. And then we get to decorate. So that's pretty much it. We'll give you a montage of all that stuff and then we'll show you the finished product after it's all done. Okay. So we had a lot of fun creating this stuff today. That was really fun. Like, painting was so relaxing.
Sometimes.
But the colors are really vibrant, and I really like being able to mix things for the clay. The erasers are so adorable. Just look at this little bunny here.
That was
Yeah, I know, Cease. Well, this is about all that we have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. If you want, please like and subscribe, and I might have something down in the description below, maybe. I don't know anymore. But anyway, hope you have a good day. This has been Cease
and Dasister.
Bye.